morning.
Good morning, baby. Slept well?
Yes, I did. And you?
Very well, too. So where are you off to this morning?
Well, Mom, I'm very bored, so I just want to take a drive around town and then familiarize myself with people and the happenings.
And how do you intend to do that, since you do not know anywhere around?
Mom, who told you that I do not know my way around? Of course I do, Mom.
Alright. Let the guards go with you.
Mom, listen. There would not be any need for a guard. I'll be fine. Trust me.
Now you listen to me, young man. Here is not abroad. Alright? Our roads are very bad here.
Oh, really? Then that means the king, my father, has not been doing his duty as the king of Amici Kingdom.
And who told you it's your father's duty to walk on the roads? It's not his duty, rather. The government's.
Well, Mom, the government cannot be everywhere, you know? So it is the duty of the king to write to the government, indicating that there are major roads in his community that needs repair. Anyway, that's a discussion for another day. I have to leave now, Mom.
If you insist. Do you know you're very stubborn?
Don't you worry too much. But I'll be fine, okay? I love you.
Love you much more.
You take care of yourself, okay? I'll be right back very soon.
You have to be very careful, sweetheart.
I will, Mom. Trust me, one too much. I'll be fine.
This is just a forge. What a handsome young man. Did you see his skin? So tantalizing like milk. Ikechukwu, the prince is every lady's spec.
Amaka, listen to me. If I were you, I will focus more on my business in this palace. Why are you making unnecessary movement around the prince? You are not even his spec. Moreover, you know the queen. You better be careful, or else she will chase you out of this palace.
Tell her! Tell her! Each time she sees a handsome man, her body will be shaking. Shaking! Let me tell you something. Keep fantasizing over what you cannot have. Jisike!
Ebube, the prince is not married to any maiden, nor even betrothed to anyone. Yes. So don't be fast to jump into conclusion. You never can tell what will happen tomorrow.
Keep dreaming. Joseph Olonlo.
Is it your dream?
Keep dreaming. Listen to me. The prince can never condescend so low to our level. Did you hear that? And let me tell you something. We are just the palace workers in this palace. Hope you know that.
Ebube Gent, even though we are palace workers, does it make us less human? Like I said before, do not jump into conclusion. Yes.
Ademma.
Aburu. Ikechukwu, did you see?
Amaka, go to your duty post.
Biaikechukwu, mind your business, oh. Mind your business. I'm not talking to your mom.
Look at her. She's not even fine.
Ikechukwu, I heard that. Were you talking to me?
Go back to your duty post, my friend.
Am I talking with your mouth? Don't you mind your own business? Nonsense.
My king, I'm so happy to hear your voice. I'm telling you, God, nobody will believe that you will survive this surgery. May the gods be praised. They did not allow us to suffer shame. The heart condition, believe me, nobody will believe that the surgery will be successful. It's not your time, my sweetheart. So, how is my princess? You know you have a great daughter there. Princess Ivy is something else. She is an amazing angel. Believe me, I've never seen a daughter like that one before. I'm proud of her. Believe me, my king, I'm missing you already. We can't wait to have you back in this palace, you and princess.
All right. So baby, I'm here.
Yeah, we are here. So you said you wanted to share something with me.
Exactly.
Is it about Alex? I hope you guys are okay.
We're fine. Not at all. Like, we're fine.
Okay.
Um.
So, then what? Why did you call me here?
Babe, I'll tell you everything, right? But you need to sit down.
Why your bedroom? I mean, can't we have this conversation in the living room?
Oh, chill.
What's going on here?
You need to calm down. Like, you don't know me before. Why are you scared? Just sit, right? Sit, let's talk. Of course I don't bite, okay? So,
I really don't get it one bit. I really do not know what to make out of this.
Listen, you know I do like you a whole lot. And the reason I brought you here is for us to have a heart-to-heart conversation. Do you know, I've been longing to be with you. Like...
No, I don't get it. What are you trying to say?
You know, you should know I have feelings for you. Though I met your friend first.
What are you asking me to do? Why do you want to cheat on my friend with me? Alex is my best friend and I do not think I can do this. Please!
Come on, Janet. It's not a big deal. And for real, Alex is not going to find out about this. I'll keep it low. Trust me. Right, I promise.
Are you asking me to start dating my friend's man?
Why are you talking like a child? I've told you why we're here. You're not a child, right? Stop behaving like one. Besides, you have nothing to lose in all of this.
Seriously? You are sick. You have gone completely bonkers.
This is beautiful. Wow. Such a long time. And there has been quite a number of changes. Beautiful edifice. Beautiful houses. Wow. Wow, this house wasn't here the last time. Oh my god. Yeah, this place has really changed. Look at this. I need to take a picture of this so I can show it to mom. didn't know we had such beautiful houses in Amji Kingdom. People are really doing well. People are doing excellent. I need to take this so I can show it to my mom. She would really love this. People look happy here. People look very happy here. The only thing is that the roads are really bad. Very bad roads. I wonder why my dad is not doing anything about it. He's supposed to write the government so that they can, award contracts to repair the roads. If he isn't doing anything about it, I will start talking about it. This cannot happen under my watch. That's what my father needs to do. Write to the government and have them fix all the roads, especially these bad ones.
Sammy, are you the one saying this? Or there's something speaking through you?
Janet, why are you sounding like this? Making an issue out of nothing. Huh?
Is that what you're saying? You know what? I'm leaving this place.
Wait, where are you going now when I'm not done talking to you?
I'm leaving, and don't you dare stop me.
Janet, I love you so much. Listen, I really, really do love you. Okay, and I am ready to make you my wife.
This guy is seriously going wacko. Is this you? Wait, hold on. I thought you loved my friend.
Listen, I know this might be sounding somehow to you, but just tell me. Pick a date. Tell me when you want me to come and pay your dowry, and I will do it ASAP. Very fast.
You're kidding me, right? Okay, listen. Okay, this is not working.
You can make it work. You can actually make it work.
How? Alex is my bosom friend, my best friend. You only dropped her off once in my house, and that was when you saw me. And now you want to divert all your attention to me? Who does that?
Babe, what I don't like is you calling Alex every now and then. Listen, ever since I set my eyes on you, I've not been able to get my head off you. Listen, I will do everything. Just tell me what you want me to do to prove my love for you. I am ready to make you a part of me. Please.
Do you know what you're asking me to do?
Yes. Yes, Janet. Just love me back. Love me back. I only need a space in your heart to show you how much I care. I really do care about you. Please.
I can't.
Darling, you can't. Listen, all I am asking is an opportunity to love you better.
Ese
you standing? Can you please sit down and let's talk things over?
Never. I said never. Read my lips. I am not talking about anything with you. Just leave me alone, Sammy, please.
Janet, this is destiny at play. Alex and I are not meant to be together. Do you know someone actually told me things about her and asked me to stay away from her?
Okay. So do you mind telling me what that person told you about Alex?
It's not possible. I can say it for now because it's meant for my ears alone. But I promise I will tell you. I'll tell you about it later. Alright?
Listen, Alex is my best friend. My bosom friend. We are like friends turned sisters. Don't you get it? Huh? Listen, whatever feelings that you have for me, just kill it. Because it is not mutual. Please, I beg you.
Janet, what about a check of 500,000 naira? Listen, I just want to prove my love to you and to show you how long I've been craving to be with you. Please. Hello.
Dima, I have told you to stop doing this to yourself. You're hurting yourself the more. Dima, you're hurting yourself the more. Please.
I'm now an orphan. I'm now an orphan. No mother, no father, no siblings. I don't have anybody.
You have me.
You know my family.
I'm your family.
Hey! So you will not understand.
I'm your family. I'm here for you. Please, you need to stop doing this to yourself.
I just feel like taking my life.
God forbid.
Let me end it all. What am I living
Will
for?
Mama and Papa be happy you're doing
But
this?
what am I living for? I'm run business, they move. I'm broke do relationship. But when what am I living for? Chinonzo, my life is shattered. My life is miserable.
I'm begging you, you have to be strong. You have to be strong. Everything will be fine. Please.
Sammy. Janet! Alex, please. I don't want to ever set my eyes on any of you. Ever! You see, I told you. I told you. You shouldn't have done this.
Listen, I love you so much and that's what matters, alright?
Did I just hear you say love? You love who?
Remember you're doing this for a token.
Meaning?
So let's finish what we started, alright? What are you trying to do? Do you want to leave me like this? You want to leave me hanging? Or possible?
I shouldn't have betrayed my friend. I feel so guilty.
Listen, I have endured things.
I don't understand.
Do you know your friend has been refusing me sleeping with her? Listen, our relationship has been a platonic one simply because she wanted it that way. She said that, before I get there, that we have to get married.
Are you saying that in all these years, like you and Alex, you've never had sex?
Exactly. I am a man and I wanted this so badly. But she denied me access.
Babes. See how you're glowing. Your skin is skinny. My darling, you can say that again. Hey! Is Sammy not lucky to have you? Is he not lucky to have you? You would have said that's the opposite way. I am the one who is lucky to have such an angel in human form. Sammy is all shades of awesomeness. See the way you are praising him, giving him some accolade, my dear. He deserves that and more. Are you telling me? You know, it's been almost 2 years. We've been together, yeah? Almost 2 years. Now, let me tell you something that will shock you to the bones. Something that will shock you. Shock me, baby, shock me. I'm listening now. Tell me, my ears are itchy. Okay. Do you know that I told Sam that no sex before marriage? And guess what? He concurred. What? Wait. Are you serious? Are you kidding me? I'm not kidding you. I'm not kidding you. That is why I call him my angel. Wait. So, all this happened. How come I don't know about it? How come? Because I chose not to spill. Girl, you are bad. But wait, hold on. Are you trying to tell me now that you and Sammy, you guys have not had sex? I'm telling you, we have not. Is it lying? It's not. Hey! Babe! Are you not lucky? Oh, I am lucky, my darling. In fact, that is why he's my word. He's my everything. He's my baby. He's my darling. He's my soul. He's my Okay, enough. So now I know why you're scared, because now. Until he puts the ring this side. Oh, not just here. You know what you're doing, Sha? Of course. Yes. Okay. Don't go give them all. They'll eat and keep it tight. Don't worry. I will keep it tight. Keep it tight. Why you keep that? Where are we going, please? Hey, let's just go sit down, my friend. Okay. Now I understand.
You know I'm a man. And Konji won't kill me.
You're a real man. I mean, not every man will accept such.
Man, I went through a whole lot. Even when I will ask her to allow me just only the cab. Only the cab. She will say no.
Wait. Does it mean that you never thought about cheating?
Not until I saw you and the thought of leaving her for you came into my head.
What? Wait, what did I just hear you say? I hope you're not planning on dumping her.
For you now.
What?
Yes, for you. Just all I need from you is a place in your heart. A place to stay. Listen, I promise I will do everything you ask for. I would love you. I will care for you.
Oh my God, Chimo, I depend on you.
Get off the road! What's wrong with you?
See me through in this wicked world. Chimo, you're my dependent.
Is everything okay with you? Just get off the road! Well, if you want to die, go somewhere else and die. It's not only you that has a problem in this country. Hey. Hey. Hello. What the hell? Hello? 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 Come, look at me. Hello? Hello?
I depend on you.
Don't worry, I'll take you to the hospital. Whatever it is, the problem is, you'll be fine, okay? Let's relax. Oh my God, thank God she's alive. Yeah, she's alive. Oh God, thank God. I thought I almost lost you there. Are you okay?
Who are you? Where are you taking me to?
My name is Josh. You fainted. I was going to take you to the hospital.
Stop! Just stop this guy.
Are you sure you're fine?
Where are you taking me to?
I'm taking you to the hospital. You collapsed in front of the car. Is everything okay with you? Hello? What's going on? Are you okay? Hey, talk to me. What's going on with you? Hello? Hello? Are you sure you can find your way home? What's going on with this girl? She's such a pretty girl, but why is she acting disoriented? Goodness. I'm sure this girl wants to kill herself. No. Not that by my hands.
But I can't kill myself. Then mama,
I wonder what's keeping him.
What's keeping who?
Prince Josh, of course.
Amaka, what is wrong with you? Don't tell me you don't have any other thing to do in this palace anymore. What is this all about?
And when has it become a crime for one to look out for the prince?
Everything is wrong with that. Face your job.
But he's been gone for so long.
Hey, Nepano Mahanya Bikon. Nepano Mahanya. How does that concern me, this girl?
Oh.
Amaka, please, in one sentence, tell me the name of the madness that have get hold of you lately. Ever since the prince came back from his sojourn abroad, you have not been your real self. You will be seated in a place and be lost in thought.
Ebube, I don't understand.
You don't understand? Really?
Yes. Ebube, it's like you're not seeing what I'm seeing.
What are you seeing?
I think you are the one that don't understand here.
All this while, I haven't understand anything from you.
I'll make you understand. Ebube, Prince Josh is too handsome. Oh my God. Prince Josh is too cute. Like, he's too handsome. God. Are you... Okay, let me ask you. Which man in this kingdom is as handsome as the prince? Which guy? Just call the name of the guy. That is as handsome as my Prince Josh. Okay, let me tell you. Is it his skin? His height? His face? The way he talks? Oh my word! The prince is so cute! God, I'm blushing! My prince!
Oh God! Amaka, it is now confirmed to me that you are mad. Nne, you have gone crazy. You see, you made me stop washing this plate. Finish it up, oh! You are loving the prince. Useless girl.
Look at her. Ugly girl. You don't have foresight. That's why you are not seeing what I'm seeing. Because there is no foresight in you. You see this plate? The Akise Feregi.
Now why is he not picking his cold? I've been calling my son saying this. What's going on? Oh, God. Now what is all this? What's going on? Sweetheart. Oh. Agony. What is wrong with you? I've been calling you and you're not picking. What's the matter?
Mom, do you know your son almost became a murderer today?
May the gods forbid that. What do you mean by that?
A maiden ran into my car.
Where?
I was very lucky. I did not crush her to death. She's such a pretty lady. I wonder what would make her want to kill herself.
My goodness. My happiness is that my son didn't answer a murderer today. May the gods be praised.
Yeah. It's okay, Mom. I have to be in my room, okay? I'm very tired. I need to rest my head.
I will send one of the maidens to get you, something refreshing. I'm sorry, sweetheart. Now, what kind of temptation is this? Where are these girls? Come. Fetch me, Ebube. of course.
Come. What's this obsession about the prince? For crying out loud.
Ebube, I love Prince George so much. Like, he's so dear to my heart. I can't wait for me to tell him how much I love him. Like, look him in the face and tell him how much I love him. Aren't you happy for me? Ebube, are you going?
See, let me tell you something. Don't touch me again. I have works to get back at.
Ebube, so you will not help me to tell me things to do for Prince to love me.
I will tell you things to do for Prince to love you. Only the prince will love you. And he will love you very much. Okay?
He will love me, right?
Like I said before, Miss Lover Girl, I have works to do.
Please don't spoil my mood.
Stand here and be jubilating over what you can never have in your entire life.
Don't spoil my mood. Finally, he's back! Oh my God! Oh my word! I wish I can tell him how much I love him. I wish I can look him eyeball to eyeball and tell him, I love you, my prince. Hey, God. But if the Queen Mother finds out, she might get me beheaded. What do I do now? Anyways, I don't care. All that matters is that I love the prince and he's back.
I saw pain in the eyes of that lady. She looked horrified. What would make such a pretty damsel want to kill herself? Something doesn't seem right. Before I could get to ask her name, she was already out of the car. I need to see that maiden again. There's something about her that I cannot place my fingers on. I have to find her. But how? How do I achieve that? Amici Kingdom is large. Very large.
Alex, come back here. Does it mean you did not see me here? What is your problem? What is wrong with you? What happened? Say something, my friend. Come back here. What is wrong with my daughter? She told me some time ago that he's going to visit Sammy. But she came back without her car. Huh? Looking so devastated, just like a woman that lost her husband.
How could Sammy and Janet do this to me? They have been sleeping together and I had no idea. I had no idea. Oh, Janet. behind me? How could you go behind me to sleep with my man? How? And Sammy, you have been cheating on me with my childhood friend. You have. How could you?
What is it?
Oh, Dad, please. I want to be left alone. Please.
Why are you this low?
I do not wish to talk to anyone. I don't wish to talk to anyone. I will say it all. Oh yes, I will say it all when I'm in the right frame of mind. But right now, just let me be. Just let me be.
Well, if you insist.
Oh!
You left this house with your car. Where is it?
I will go and get it. I will get it later. I will get it later. I will get it later. Oh no. You cheated on me. You have been cheating on me with my childhood friend, my best friend. I thought he said he loves me. I thought he said he would do anything for me. Love. Love that I know doesn't hurt. He doesn't ask why. But why betray the love we share? Why betray the love we share? Why? Why? Oh, is it because I refused to sleep with him? Oh, because I refused to sleep with him before marriage. But I thought it was okay with it. He said he was okay with it. I thought he was okay with it. Oh no, oh no, oh no.
Wow. Yeah. Okay, let's back here, right?
Yeah, it's okay.
Wonderful. All right, honey. We're here.
Thank you. Go front more.
Yeah. You know I love you, right?
Yeah, I do.
You know. So I'll go round and get the door for you.
No problem. But no keys.
I love you so much.
I love it.
Oh.
My son.
Did I tell you you're the best thing that has ever happened to me?
Oh. And I adore you so much too. You know that. How you do it to your face? You're so crazy. So naughty. Okay.
Right.
Alright.
My darling.
Thank you.
Oh.
Babe, I really enjoyed myself. Honestly, the food was superb.
Really?
Mm.
But you know you cook better.
I'm blushing. You know, you always have your way with words.
You know, I always look forward to eating your recipes.
Wow.
Your wonderful recipes.
Are you serious?
Did I tell you you're the best cook?
Aww.
Like you cook very well.
Aww. Wow. Thank you.
So, we're driving to my house.
What are we going to your house to do? I mean, what exactly are we going to do to your house?
When is going to my house an issue?
I'm not saying it's an issue, but I want to be home before 6 p.m. The day is fast spent already. And my father went to court in the morning. I don't want him to get back home before me, please.
But if you tell your dad you've been hanging out with me the whole day, I don't think he'll be mad at you.
I know all that, but what are we going there to do? The last time I was in your house, I don't want us to repeat those things again.
Repeating what exactly?
You know what transpired? You do. So...
Honey, it's high time you stop all things. Look, I love you. I love you very, very much. And I can't do anything to hurt you. I can't even see myself trying to hurt you. Like, if you don't want to do it, I am not going to force you. Alright? You said it's a platonic relationship. Let's keep it that way. Till we get married, I am with you.
Good.
Yeah, I'm with you in it, alright?
If you say so, problem.
Honey, let's go to my house.
But I won't waste time on.
Yeah, it's alright. At least, you know, you spend a little time with me. Okay?
Yeah, even this one is nice too. Wanna have it?
Yeah, I would.
I
would love to.
It's nice. They
Just
tried.
like how you said it.
I told you.
You said the ice cream is very nice.
Nice.
It's very sweet. I confirmed it.
Yeah. Oh, nice one. I had fun.
Yeah.
Babe.
Yeah.
The AC is on. Why are you removing your clothes?
Honey, you need to help me. Yeah? Every little thing, Pim. Huh? Every little conversation with you, Pim. Yeah? Can no one be gone?
Sammy, did you lure me here to sleep with me?
What is lure you here to sleep with you? It's been 2 years with you without sex. It's not easy for me. I've tried. I have really tried. So I deserve some accolades for my endurance. I'm a man. I am a man. Yeah?
Sammy, I don't understand what you are talking about. I have no idea. What are you saying?
Okay, listen. I know it's your first time, but I promise you, you'll enjoy every bit of it. You see, if you do it under the AC, you will love it. That one is the sweetest.
The answer to that is no.
Oh, no. That won't be possible.
Honey, if we make this love, it will only strengthen our relationship. You will like it. I don't know the reason you're keeping it away from me. You're not even giving it a second thought. Why?
Babe, is that why you're sweating like this?
Oh, babe.
Listen. I understand how you feel. I do. I don't want you to feel deprived. No. But you need to hasten up with the arrangements. You need to. You have to come and pay my bride price. Marry me traditionally. We will have a white wedding. Then you can have me all to yourself. Serious.
But you have my ring already. I gave you an engagement ring and you have it right in your fingers. Eh? Listen, you're mine now. Like, you're mine. Can't you understand?
Baby, let's just do the right thing. Okay? So we can make love anytime, any day, anywhere in this house. Okay? Just do the right thing. That's all.
What you're doing to me is not fair. Seriously. What you're doing to me is not fair. Odiroma.
Okay, I want to understand. What is the delay? My father has already promised to give us the best white wedding that will be the talk of town. He's only waiting for us to make the move. Why can't we make the move? Why can't you make the move and make me your wife? So you can have me morning, afternoon, and night, midnight, any style you want, I will give it to you. Hey, you need to be a man in that path. Not just this.
Not being a man. Why? The question is, why are you being wicked to me? Why are you being wicked to me? Do you hate me that much?
I'm not being wicked. And you know I don't hate you. You just have to do the right thing. Please. Don't think this whole thing will make me to start falling for it. No. Come and see my parents. Please. I'm not doing it for this. I have told you that. Okay? Just do the right thing. Let us do the right thing.
It's okay.
Enjoy sex to the fullest.
It's okay.
Okay?
No problem. I respect your decision.
Do you want me to excuse you?
It's alright. I respect your decision.
Because I had vehemently refused sleeping with him, he decided to cheat on me. He didn't just cheat, but he cheated with my best friend just to get at me. I should have known that those promises were just empty promises. So, this is the man Sammy has become. I will never, ever forgive myself for letting Sammy off my hook.
It's night now. I'm closing. I want to go and cook dinner.
Hey, dinner kwa? Ordinary food you go to your father's house and eat.
So because I will eat it in my father's house, it's no longer dinner. It's now breakfast. Okay?
I never say so. Just that I want to buy charcoal.
You want to buy charcoal? I've been sitting here since morning. Why didn't you come here since morning? Eh?
Dimma, stop interrogating me. Are you selling for me or not? If you're not selling for me, let me rush to Nkwamichi and get one for myself.
You're sounding as if Nkwamichi is behind your father's house. Go to Nkwamichi now. Don't you know how much you will spend? We are going and coming back. Go to Nkwamichi.
What's come to what? I can enter Keke and go there. What's the big deal?
Are you going to Amichi? Or be going? Yeah. How much on are you buying?
500 naira.
Only. It's 500 naira charcoal that you want to buy. Give me.
Hey.
Give me now.
Give on one. People have been complaining that your mouth is so bad. Look at how you're running the mouth. Don't you know that customers are always right?
Yes, I know. Customers are always right. But it's the rich customers, the one that will come here and buy charcoal of 100,000 naira. Those are the ones that are right. Even if they slap me, I will say thank you, ma. It's not this your miserable 500 naira. Dimma, take your this thing and give me because give me the credit. So you take.